Have you ever woken up after a night of poor sleep, feeling heavy-headed or like your thoughts are stuck in thick fog? It's a common feeling, and there's a very physical reason for it. It turns out your brain isn't just resting while you sleep. It's actually doing the dishes. Throughout the day, as you think, move, and solve problems, your brain produces metabolic waste. If that waste isn't cleared out, it builds up like clutter in a busy office. Today, we're going into the microscopic world of the glymphatic system, your brain's very own nightly wash, and why this process is the secret to waking up with a sharp, clear mind. For a long time, scientists wondered how the brain got rid of its trash. The rest of your body uses the lymphatic system, but the brain is sealed off by the blood-brain barrier. The answer was discovered recently: the glymphatic system. It is a plumbing network that piggybacks on your blood vessels. But here's the catch. This system is mostly off while you're awake. It only kicks into high gear during sleep, specifically during deep sleep. When you drift off, your brain flips a switch and the cleaning crew clocks in for their shift. So, how does a wash actually happen inside a solid organ like the brain? It's one of the most incredible transformations in human biology. As you enter deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink by up to 60%. This shrinkage creates extra space between the cells, essentially opening up hallways that don't exist during the day. This extra space allows cerebrospinal fluid to rush in and flow through your brain tissue, acting like a high-pressure hose that flushes away the grime of the day. What exactly is the fluid washing away? It's clearing out toxic proteins, most notably one called beta amyloid. Beta amyloid is a byproduct of neural activity. When it stays in your brain, it forms plaques that interfere with how your neurons communicate. This is why brain fog isn't just a metaphor. It is a literal accumulation of protein waste that hasn't been washed away. A successful nightly wash ensures that your neural hardware is clean and ready for high-speed processing the next morning. The glymphatic system isn't just about feeling good tomorrow morning. It's about your long-term health. Chronic sleep deprivation means the brain never gets a full cleaning cycle. Over years, the buildup of these proteins is closely linked to cognitive decline and neurological issues. This is why sleep is often called preventative medicine. By prioritizing your nightly wash, you aren't just resting, you are actively protecting your brain's longevity and keeping your cognitive engine running smoothly for decades to come. Timing is everything. The glymphatic system is most active during deep NREM sleep. Because deep sleep happens primarily in the first half of the night, your most intense cleaning cycles happen before midnight for most people. If you consistently cut your sleep short or have fragmented sleep, your cleaning crew has to stop halfway through their job. You might get the light dusting of the first hour, but you miss the deep scrub that happens during sustained, uninterrupted deep sleep. Because the nightly wash is so tied to deep sleep, we've made it a core focus of the energyBand. The energyBand doesn't just track hours, it tracks your cognitive recovery score. By analyzing your heart rate stability and the duration of your deep sleep stages, the band can estimate how effective your nightly wash was. If your score is low, it's a sign that the cleaning crew didn't have enough time to finish, and it might be a day to prioritize a lighter mental load. If you want to ensure your brain gets a professional-grade cleaning tonight, keep these 3 tips in mind. Side sleeping. Research suggests that the glymphatic system works most efficiently when you sleep on your side. The lateral position helps the fluid flow more effectively through the brain's hallways. Hydration balance. Drink enough water during the day, but taper off before bed. Your brain needs fluid to clean itself, but waking up to use the bathroom breaks your deep sleep cycles. The caffeine cutoff. Caffeine blocks the signals that lead to deep sleep. Even if you fall asleep, the wash won't be as deep or as effective if there is caffeine in your system. Your brain is the most complex piece of technology in the universe, and like any high-performance machine, it needs to be cleaned. The nightly wash isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity for a sharp mind and a healthy life. Listen to your brain. Use the energyBand to track your recovery and give your cleaning crew the time they need to work their magic. Sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.